Assalamu alaikum, I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we are going to learn how to save an AutoCAD drawing as a drawing file. Let's say you have been working on this file and now you want to save it. There are several ways to save a file. One of the ways is go to Application menu. Here you have two options. One is Save and the other one is Save As. If you're saving the drawing for the very first time, it doesn't matter if you click Save or Save As. Both will work in the same way. So we are saving this file for the first time, so select any of the two. Save drawing as window will appear. You can select the folder where you want to save your file. Write a file name. Let's write here my first save. And the type of the file will be DWG. Click save and this file now has been saved in the documents folder. Here you can see the name of the drawing tab has changed from drawing number 6 to my first save. Let's make a change to this drawing by deleting this object. You can see here on the name, a small asterisk has appeared. This asterisk means that you have made a change in this drawing that is not saved yet. Now if you want to save this change in the same file, you can again go to Application menu and this time click Save. By clicking Save, the changes will be saved to the drawing named My First Save, the one that you made here. Let's make another change to this file by adding an object. Again, you can see here the asterisk has appeared, and the asterisk means that you have made some change in this drawing and you haven't saved it yet. This time I don't want to save this change in the same file. I want to make a copy of it. So go to Application menu, click Save As, and change the name of the file from My First Save to My Second Save, and click Save. So you can see here that the name has changed from My First Save to My Second Save. Let's compare My First Save and My Second Save file. Click Open, open My First Save, and here you can see that there's only one object in my first save, and the second object that we added that has been saved in another file that we have named as my second save. Save and Save As options are also available on Quick Access toolbar. So here you have got a save icon and this one is Save As icon.